Have you heard the Facebook feature called the block list? So if you've ever struggled with figuring out how to control where your ads show up, especially when you're choosing automatic placements for your ads on your ad set level, then uploading and applying a block list might be the solution you're looking for. So this feature is not something a lot of publishers use or know about, so yeah, I've done all the research so that you can take advantage of this really cool feature. So under Business Manager, go to Brand Safety and then click on Block List. There you can click Manage and then you will be led to this page. So here you can click on Publisher List to view all the websites where your ads show up on Audience Network, and from there you can create your block list. So to create a block list, all you need to do is create a CSV file with all the URLs of the websites where you don't want your ads to show up, and then just upload it. Don't forget to give it a name. So let me show you. This is an example of the list that you can download. This is one of the 3 files that you'll get when you download Publisher List. And then here you'll see all the websites where your ads can show up. This list doesn't include publishers with low impressions, and if you choose to upload and apply a block list, Facebook will automatically not show your ads on those websites. And then this is a list of the websites where I don't want my ads to show up, and I've saved this as a CSV file, and we'll go ahead and upload this. So let's go back, give it a name, probably give it a date so that you can remind yourself when you uploaded it, and then you can upload this file by dragging and dropping, and then click upload. Once everything is done, once Facebook has verified that all the URLs on your list is good and valid, you can click apply. So you can choose to apply that to all the ad accounts on your Business Manager or to selected ad accounts only. You can click save, just have it there for now if you want. If you don't need to apply it to any campaigns, just click on don't apply to ad accounts now and just click save. And you can come back here anytime and apply or remove it by clicking on this 3 dots right here. If you don't want to use it anymore, you can simply delete this anytime. Alright, that's it. Thank you so much. Bye.